Donald and Douglas, the twin engines from Scotland, had caused trouble in the yards and tried to cover up their mistake by switching tenders. The Fat Controller scolded them severely. "There must be no more tricks. I shall be watching you both. I have to decide which of you is to stay." The twins looked glum. Neither wanted to stay without the other. "Then what is to do?" wondered Douglas. "Each mun be aye good as other," said Donald. "Syne he'll ha' to keep us both." Their plan was good, but they had reckoned without a spiteful brake fan. The van had taken a dislike to Douglas. Things always went wrong when he had to take it out. His trains were late, and he was blamed. Douglas began to worry. "You're a muckle nuisance," said Donald one day. "It's to leave ye behind I'd be wantin'." "You can't," said the van. "I'm essential." "Och, are you?" Donald burst out. "You're naething but a screechin' and a noise when all's said and done." "Spite Dougie, would ye? Take that!" "Oh, oh, oh!" cried the van. "There's more comin' sen ye misbehave." The van behaved better after that. Then Donald had an accident. The rails were slippery. He couldn't stop in time. The Fat Controller was most annoyed. "I am disappointed, Donald. I did not expect such, clumsiness from you. I had decided to send Douglas back and keep you." "I'm sorry, sir," said Donald. "I should think so too. You have upset my arrangements. Now James will have to help with the goods work, while you have your tender mended. James won't like that." The Fat Controller was right. James grumbled dreadfully. "Anyone would think," said Douglas, "that Donald had his accident on purpose." "I heard tell about an engine and some tar wagons." "Shut up," said James. "It's not funny." He didn't like to be reminded of his own accident. "Well, well, well," said Douglas innocently. "Surely, James, it wasna you. You didna say." James didn't say. He was sulky next morning and wouldn't steam properly. When at last he did start, he bumped the trucks hard. "He's cross," sniggered the spiteful brake van. "We'll try to make him crosser still." "Hold back," giggled the trucks to each other. James did his best, but he was exhausted when they reached Edward's station. Luckily, Douglas was there. "Help me up the hill, please," panted James. "These trucks are playing tricks." "We'll show them," said Douglas grimly. Slowly but surely, the snorting engines forced the trucks up the hill. But James was losing steam. "I can't do it! I can't do it! Lay it to me!" shouted Douglas. The guard was anxious. "Go steady! The van's braking!" The van was in pieces. No one had been hurt, and soon Edward brought workmen to clear the mess. The Fat Controller was on board. "I might have known it would be Douglas," he said. "Douglas was grand, sir," said Edward. "James had no steam left, but Douglas worked hard enough for 3. I heard him from my yard." "2 would have been enough," said the Fat Controller dryly. "I want to be fair, Douglas, but I don't know. I really don't know." He turned and walked thoughtfully away.